Okay, this is Samira Carterzan, you know what I'm saying? And the song's called Doctor, you know what I'm saying? Somebody called an ambulance, because, you know what I'm saying, we're going to need a doctor, you know what I'm saying, to operate, you know what I'm saying, on your hand. Wait, what? No, I'm just joking, just kidding, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I like it, you know what I'm saying? Ballet. Okay, Bola, sure, something like that. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, you know what I'm saying? I'm enjoying myself, you know what I'm saying? Listening to this dope, you know what I'm saying, Kurdish music, you know what I'm saying? I love the rhythm, you know what I'm saying? It be the rhythms for me, you know what I'm saying? And the way they sing, you know what I'm saying? People be talking about their language is weird. There's nothing weird about their language, you know what I'm saying? Except for it's not like no other language, you know what I'm saying? In the Middle East, you know, it's like, yeah. Beautiful Sayran Osman, you know what I'm saying, with that Kuri Kurdistani music, you know what I'm saying. Hey, check out my reaction video to Kuri Kurdistani, you know what I'm saying. I forget who sang that song, but I reacted to that song, you know what I'm saying, Kuri Kurdistani, you know what I'm saying, with an S, Kurdistani, okay? Not Kurdistani, like this song, this is Kuri Kurdistani, you know what I'm saying? And one thing that I find amazing, right? When I first started reacting to Kurdish music, some people was like, why you keep saying Kurdistani or Kurdistanda, right? I don't understand how y'all asking me that question when y'all should know, right? But the weird thing is for me is that I don't research everything. I use my common sense, and normally I just make up names, like, so if I react or if I find a new country, right, normally I would just go with something that makes sense, right? I'll just use my logic. So when I first heard of Kurds or Kurdish music, you know what I'm saying, I would call it Kurdistani music, you know what I'm saying, and now I see my Kurds calling it Kurdistani, you know what I'm saying, not saying because of me, I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying, I know that was a real word without me actually knowing. I never researched it or nothing. I promise you that. You know what I'm saying? I actually just pay attention, you know what I'm saying? So things that I be comparing to like different tribes and cultures and groups of people with the Kurds is just, you know what I'm saying, you know, it's just history. It's just, you know, history is not what people might think it is or what it might be, because what you was taught, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I love reacting to music, not only music, and just getting in depth with the culture, you know what I'm saying? So. Okay, so what's the name of that place right there? That's a nice little chill spot. You know what I'm saying? I like that she in the woods. That dress is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's check out some more Kurdistani music. You know what I'm saying? BZ Kurdistan. Baby booty. she pretty. Hey, Kurdistani. Violet. Oh, I like this. I like this. Bad water is that jet something like that. Bad water jet. Way lordy. Hey, so I said it right. I think the first time, right? Yeah. Hell yeah. Hey, see what I mean? Oh wow. Somebody called an ambulance. You know what I'm saying? I like this vibe though. Shout out to Mr. Bad Water. You know what I'm saying? Hey, so now I'll be doing